Discover the hottest kitchen cabinet color trends of 2024 that will transform your space and elevate your style. Tune in now for an inspiring journey. Hey everybody, welcome to HD Interiors. In today's fast-paced world, keeping up with the latest trends is essential, even in the realm of home design. One area that constantly evolves is kitchen cabinet colors. As we delve into the exciting realm of kitchen design, we'll explore the captivating trends that are shaping kitchens in 2024. From serene neutral palettes to vibrant green shades and the timeless appeal of wood cabinets, there's something for every style and preference. Join us on this journey as we uncover the colors and styles that are revolutionizing kitchen aesthetics this year. So, whether you're planning a kitchen remodel or simply curious about the latest in interior design, this exploration of kitchen cabinet color trends is sure to inspire and inform. Let's dive in and discover the magic of 2024's kitchen cabinet color trends together. Serene Neutral Color Palettes. In the realm of kitchen design, serene neutral color palettes have emerged as a prominent trend in 2024. The subtle elegance of light gray and the timeless charm of white are captivating homeowners and designers alike. These colors offer a sense of tranquility and sophistication to kitchen spaces, creating a canvas that complements various decor styles. The allure of serene neutral tones lies in their versatility. They serve as a perfect backdrop for other elements in the kitchen, such as countertops, backsplashes, and decor accents. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or wish to incorporate bold statement pieces, light gray and white cabinets provide a harmonious foundation for your design vision. Moreover, these neutral hues have a transformative effect on the overall ambience of the kitchen. They can make a small space feel more open and airy or add a touch of modernity to a traditional kitchen setting. The popularity of serene neutral color palettes signifies a shift towards a more relaxed and welcoming atmosphere in kitchen design, emphasizing comfort and aesthetic appeal. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the captivating world of kitchen cabinet color trends for 2024. Green shades. 2024 brings a refreshing burst of nature-inspired hues into kitchen designs, with green shades taking center stage. Among these, sage green stands out as a popular choice for kitchen cabinets. This earthy yet sophisticated color adds a touch of tranquility and natural beauty to any kitchen space. The appeal of green shades lies in their ability to evoke a sense of harmony and balance. Sage green, in particular, blends seamlessly with various design elements, offering versatility and a timeless aesthetic. Whether paired with natural wood accents for a rustic charm or combined with sleek modern finishes for a contemporary look, green cabinets bring a unique character to kitchens. Moreover, green is known for its calming effect and connection to the outdoors, making it a perfect choice for those seeking a soothing and inviting atmosphere in their kitchen. As homeowners embrace the trend of bringing elements of nature indoors, green shades in kitchen cabinets continue to gain popularity and admiration. Wood cabinet trends. 2024 marks a resurgence of appreciation for the natural beauty and warmth of wood in kitchen cabinets. This year, we see a diverse range of wood cabinet trends, catering to various style preferences and design aesthetics. 1. Light, farmhouse-inspired styles. One prominent trend is the use of light-colored wood cabinets reminiscent of farmhouse kitchens. These cabinets bring a sense of rustic charm and coziness to modern spaces, creating a welcoming ambience. 2. Richer, more sophisticated hues. On the other end of the spectrum, richer and deeper hues of wood are making a statement in kitchen designs. Darker wood cabinets add a touch of luxury and sophistication, elevating the overall look of the kitchen. 3. Natural textures and warmth. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to natural textures and materials, and wood cabinets offer just that. The tactile appeal of wood adds depth and character to kitchens, making them feel inviting and lived in. 4. Versatility in design. Wood cabinets are incredibly versatile, blending seamlessly with various color schemes, countertops, and flooring options. Whether you prefer a traditional, transitional, or contemporary style, there's a wood cabinet trend to suit your taste. This resurgence of wood cabinet trends reflects a desire for authenticity and a connection to nature in kitchen design. Stay tuned as we uncover more captivating insights into the evolving world of kitchen cabinet colors for 2024. Exploring the dynamic landscape of kitchen cabinet color trends for 2024 has been an enlightening journey. From serene neutral palettes to captivating green shades and the timeless allure of wood, we've uncovered a myriad of options that cater to diverse tastes and design preferences. As we conclude our exploration, it's evident that 2024 is a year of embracing both tradition and innovation in kitchen design. The popularity of serene neutral colors reflects a desire for calmness and modernity, while the emergence of green shades signifies a connection to nature and tranquility. Additionally, the revival of wood cabinet trends speaks to a timeless appeal and a longing for authenticity in our living spaces. Whether you're planning a kitchen remodel or simply seeking inspiration, these trends offer a wealth of possibilities to transform your kitchen into a stylish and functional haven. Remember to consider your personal style, the overall aesthetic of your home, and the functionality you need when choosing cabinet colors and materials. If you enjoyed this exploration of kitchen cabinet color trends, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on home design, decor tips, and creative ideas. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable insights and inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this journey.